I just discovered a website where ordinary people can earn money just by improving artificial intelligence. The best part is you don't even need 10 years or 20 years experience. No complicated or stressful resume, just your smartphone by improving simple digital products. This is available in 150 countries, including Nigeria. And the best part of it is that most people don't even know it exists or where to find it. In this video, I will be showing you everything you need to know, who to apply, step-by-step process on how to successfully complete your application, take a simple task and start making money. If you want to sign up to any website, make sure you study everything about that website, the payment method, how legit that website is, so that you not end up wasting your time. Be sure to watch this video from start to finish. If you miss any part, you may not get the right process. I'll still be telling you some common mistakes that can stop you from being accepted. I'm still Shavera. In this channel, I teach legitimate online jobs, AI platforms, websites that can earn you money from the comfort of your home. If that sounds like what you want, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to it. Okay, this is it. Pillar 8. Get paid for voice and video tasks. Pillar 8 is a contributor platform for original human audio and video used in AI-related projects. Contributors complete structured tasks, follow project. Now let's see it. Okay, this is it. Flexible remote contributor work. Get paid to label, get paid to have conversations. Make money on your own schedule by completing simple recording tasks from your phone or laptop. Record conversations and other audio that help train AI whenever and wherever works for you. So I'll be taking you step by step on how you can successfully apply and show you how it works as well. Now, first of all, let me explain what the platform is all about. The platform is where people complete voice recording and audio data collection tasks to help train artificial intelligence, which is AI systems. You can work remotely by recording yourself, reading script, answering prompt, or having conversation, and you are paid for approved tasks. Only the task that is approved that will be paid for. You need phone or laptop friendly, flexible schedules, clear task instructions, visible submission status, approved work earns credit. So the moment you finish recording, you will know that your work is approved or not approved, and it's like you have up to 16 times to keep trying before they can automatically disqualify you. So within these 16 times, you would have been able to record exactly what they wanted you to record. Now let's exploit the opportunities. Choose flexible remote tasks that matches your skills and schedule. Apply and get approved in a minute. Now these are the works that they have done here. Single person script reading. This pays $10 to $18 per hour. About 1,000 people applied. Have English conversation, $20,000 to $30,000 per hour. About 500 participated on this. Emotional acting, they have 200 participated on it. It pays $15 to $25 per hour. English transcription, $30 to $40 per hour, opening soon. So they have not really assigned it. So if you sign it to it now, you may be accepted because it's still on. You have Korea dialect chat with agent conversation. This pays $40 to $50 per hour. This very website, or Pillar 8, has about 150 countries can participate on this, including Nigeria. So if you're in Nigerians, this is your opportunity to take advantage of this. Now let's go down how it works. Set up your Googles, create your account, record a quick audition, pick a task, complete and get paid, which I'll still explain. Now, what people are saying about this, these are like testimonies people are saying. This one say working from home, you get presented with many opportunities and companies to be part of. So I came across Pla 8 about 8 months ago. I signed up but was not active for a while. Once I started, I was hooked. I log in daily, complete several jobs that were available. The pay is great, and in the process, I met many amazing experts from around the world. Suddenly, I was part of an awesome community. If you are looking for a side gig that's flexible and fun, I would highly recommend Pillar to everyone. So these are testimonies of people. You can also go through it and know how it works, how credit and payout work. See the estimated pay before you start. We review every submission and approved work added credit to your balance. When those credits becomes available, you can cash them out. This is updated just now, 1,240. I'm not promising you that you are going to get up to this $1,000. And this work with point. 10 point is equals to $1. So if you're able to get 10 points, you have gotten $1 from it. Now I have approved tax, 57 approved tax, 12 tax still pending. Conversation audios, you have $15. Workflow videos, $35. Script reading, $5. Frequent question people ask, what is Pillar, which I've explained. Now let's go to the next session. Giant chat agent conversation partner. So this one pays $40 to $50 per hour. So English audio labeling have $15 to $25 per hour. So if you are interested in any of these, you can quickly apply immediately. Now how it works: approved contributors can access their first available session within 5 to 10 minutes of signing up. Now we take you to this place, ask you to continue with Google. You continue here. So it's taking you straight to where your emails, your Gmails is. So what you do is that you basically pick the one you want to use. Make sure you use a valid email for it. And also know the information you are putting should be the one in your government IDs. Continue. The normal way you sign up with your Google email. So let's go. This is how the form look like. You have personal details, your name and basic demographic informations. First name. So make sure that the name you are putting is what is exactly in your government ID, so that when they will ask you to do verification, it will not be a problem. So you enter the first name, last name, here select your gender. If you are a male or a female, just select any gender you know you are. The ethnicity, date of birth, year, occupation, what kind of work do you do. Now you can basically choose any type of work you do, or you can just choose, there is a teacher, software engineer, or whatever work you do, you just put it here. I'm going to use designer. Where did you hear about Pillar? You can use family and friends, handshake, linked family, or Instagram. I use linked. Referral code. If you have your referral code, you can impute it here. If you don't have your referral code, it's not going to stop you. Here is country and regions where you currently located. Country of residence. So let's pick our country. Let me pick Nigeria. Now we'll talk about your state. It's talking about language, the language you speak. Which language are you good at? You can speak fluently, you can speak very well. English, I use English. If you know you have another language that you can speak very well, just select it. We have province. So in that English, are you fluent? Is it native or advanced or intermediate or elementary? That is any level you know you are in English, you can as well pick it. What best describe your accent? Okay, Nigerian. So that's Nigerian. Here you talk about the country best matches your accent, so we use Nigerian as well. other languages. You can pick other language you have. If you have any other language you know you can speak, you are good at. First of all, let's come to this place. Were you born in Nigeria and lived in Nigeria your whole life? So yes or no, you select yes or no depending on your own. What city did you grow up in? Lagos. Your highest education in English, so you select anyone you know you have, you select it. Then add a language. If you have another language you know you are good at, you can as well place it. French, native. Okay, continue. Here it's talking about, I confirm the information I have provided is accurate and complete. Yes, I agree to submit only my own recording and follow all contributors' quality rules. Accept. Submit application. Okay, application has been submitted. Here is saying unlock project. Now for you to be able to unlock this project, you need to record a voice. You'll be given a task to record and finish your last onboarding. So the first one is unlock project. Complete this short audio challenge to finish your application and start recording paid tasks. Once you pass, you will be able to start recording tasks in the project available to you. You have 20 trials and we will give you immediate feedback after each submission. So once you submit, they will give you the immediate feedback whether you qualify or not, whether it's accepted or not. So they will give you the chance to try again. So you can try it up to 20 times to be able to get it the right way. So let's see what we have here. Now here is a script that you are asked to record. You need to say this the way they want you to say it, and when you say it, it will be counting here, and when it's confirmed, they will show you, it will show green that it has already confirmed that they have accepted it. So that is when you will now start recording. If you want to know, or you want me to make a video on how to pass this first phase, just comment record at the comment section. I will quickly make the video so that you'll be able to pass this first stage. So guys, if you find value on this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video to get to other people that may need it. See you when next I come. Bye bye.